decided to do a video diary on my Employability Module that I'm doing for my DTLLS course. I'm going to reflect on the different tasks that I've done in my sessions, not in my sessions, in the sessions of my DTLL, talking about different activities done. I think I'll be putting things up on the wall, but for now I'm just going to talk about the activities. Maybe in the next one I'll have a few bits and pieces up on the wall, but I'll just talk through what kind of bits we've done for today's session. So today we were kind of introduced to the new module. We did a task which was the personal shield, and that was basically where you were in a partnership with someone else and you came up with your own desert island disc. Life has taught me that I bring 3 things to this module. If I wasn't a teacher, I would be. So it was me doing my own shield, and my partner doing their own shield, and what happened is it would swap and the partner would read my shield out. So a bit like an icebreaker, I suppose. I think it is an icebreaker task. I seem to remember doing it when I was in college. So I've put that it brings people together. There was time management involved, mainly because we had 10 minutes to do it in. And there was a thought process, and the ice was broken, as I said in that. There was also the last bit, which was my favourite saying, but that's in my portfolio. I liked that kind of icebreaker task. I could easily use that for my learners or for future learners. It's an easy one to adapt, everybody would enjoy it. It's just a good kind of icebreaker to do. That was what we really did today. As I said, we were introduced to the module. I've got other bits of notes that we used. Oh no, what we did do is a group contract, and I'm going to put pictures in the video, so now you will probably see a picture of our group contract. I think this was actually done before the personal shield, I don't quite remember. And we came up with a penalty for not following the group contract, so hopefully by the end of it I can record and say that someone has worn wobbly eyes. And then we wrote what the purpose of the group contract was. It's a collective view of what people think the rules should be in a class. I can see myself using it with learners if I was to go into a further education role. I've seen it done in my own class when I was in college. It's a good way of getting people to be a bit more responsible. You know, it's not the teacher enforcing the rules, it's the learners enforcing the rules. So it's a bit of a learner-led, learning environment-led thing. So it's quite a good little task to do with your own learners. Next week we're not sure what we're doing really. I'm looking through my notes, I can't see, didn't write what we're doing next week, so again maybe a whole host of other tasks. So we'll see what next week brings. Thank you, bye.